Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make salmon in coconut sauce. I've made this salmon in coconut milk a few times and I've received so many compliments. This sauce is everything and it's so delicious. It goes really well over some angel hair pasta. I'm so excited for you guys to try it. So let's get started. To begin, cook 1 pound of angel hair pasta according to package instructions. We will be using 1.5 pounds of salmon fillet divided into 4 pieces. Season both sides well with salt and pepper. So I've made this recipe a few times now, and I've also used tilapia fillets, but you could use whatever fish you prefer. I actually made this over a Thanksgiving celebration, and I was trying to think of foods that wasn't your traditional Thanksgiving food, since I knew everyone was going to have a lot of that with their families. So I made this and everyone absolutely loved it. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high heat and cook the salmon. This will take about 4 minutes per side depending on the thickness. Also, if you're using tilapia fillets, I suggest you cook it in the oven because it's such a pain to flip. They're really thin and it just breaks up easily. I'll leave instructions on how to cook it in the oven in the description below. Remove salmon and wipe pan clean. Next, we're going to be adding a 13.5 ounce can of coconut milk. You should be able to find this in the Asian section of your local grocery store. Add half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, which should be found at the Asian market, but if you don't have any, that's fine, just add a little bit more salt. And 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. Mix everything and bring to a boil. Let simmer over medium heat for about 2 minutes. You could also substitute curry powder for red curry paste. I've also used it using that and it came out great. You could also find that in the Asian section of your local grocery store. I'll leave the one I used in the link below. Can you tell I like to make life more simpler by using products from the local grocery store? I just remember being really frustrated when I would follow recipes and they would have ingredients which I've never heard of before, or it was just so hard to find. That's why I try to make things really simple for you guys, because I've been there before. And we're almost done. Place the salmon back to the pan and let it simmer for 1 more minute. This coconut sauce is super yummy, and I love how the curry powder just gives it this gorgeous yellow color. I'm just gonna go ahead and serve this right on top of the angel hair pasta that we made earlier and add some more sauce to this. I'm gonna sprinkle over some chopped cilantro. It just adds another depth of flavor to this dish. And if you like a little heat, sprinkle over some chopped red pepper flakes. You could also add some Thai chilies. Doesn't this look like restaurant quality? Time to dig in. You guys, there's no other way to describe this. You just have to make this recipe. It's so good. Don't forget to check out all my other simple and delicious recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.